You searched how to buy shares of Savannah Resources Plc. Savannah Resources Plc is a mineral exploration and development company listed on Xetra under the ticker SAV.DE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SAV.DE to locate Savannah Resources. Select the matching Xetra listing to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Savannah Resources Plc. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker SAV.DE to ensure you have the right stock. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you intend to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description for convenience.